Welcome back to KW Ross Patterns. In this tutorial, I am going to demonstrate to you how to translate a given figure, and I'm going to start off with a given triangle, the triangle WXY, and also a given vector AB. So what we have to do first is that we have to measure our vector. Okay, measure the vector. All right, I want to catch the measurement of the vector. Then at each of the vertices, I'm going to start with vertices Y. I am going to swing a semicircle there. And I am going to go through the next vertices, which is vertex, sorry, and swing another semicircle. I am going to go to the next vertex, which is W, and I'm going to swing a semicircle. Now what I'm going to need to do now is I am going to measure the distance between the beginning of my vector, which is A, and Y, vertex Y, and I am going to slide my pointer down to the end of the vector, which is B, and I'm going to draw another arc. Is going to intersect that first arc that I drew, and I'm going to label this Y prime. Then I'm going to go back from the other vertices or vertex or of X, and I'm going to measure the distance between X and the beginning of the vector. I'm going to slide my pointer down to the end of the vector, and I'm going to swing an arc. Okay, now I am also going to put a dot at the intersection of the two arcs, and I'm going to label this X prime. I'm going to repeat the same step coming from the beginning of the vector here and extending it up to W, vertex W. Okay, and then I'm going to slide my pointer down to the end of the vector, and I'm going to swing an arc. Now where the two arcs intersect again, I'm going to put label that W prime, and I'm going to connect W prime to X prime. Then I'm also going to connect X prime to Y prime, and I'm also lastly going to connect W prime to Y prime. And there you go. That's your translation. It's just like, you know, the line song that goes slide to the right, slide to the left. Well, this one you slide down. This is your vector, and you will always be given a vector. And a translation is literally just sliding the figure down and this much span. That is what is the vector is for, telling you how much down you want to slide it. And if for argument's sake you want to test it to make sure that you're correct, you can literally go back, measure your vector here, okay, and go at each one of these. Trace is a tad bit. All right, that's your vector. Measure. Go to each one of your points, your Y and your Y prime. Notice it's the same distance. Go to X and X prime, it's the same distance. And go to W and W prime, it's the same distance. So literally translation is just sliding down. Slide to the right, slide to the left. Crisscross, applesauce. So that's it for translating the figure down using a given vector by construction. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share my video, and I'll see you soon. Bye now.